see if these have eggs. Ooh, this one does have eggs. Welcome to Anything is Possible. My name's Bob. Today we're going to show you an awesome, simple recipe. Tabasco trout caviar. We'll show you how to harvest it. We'll show you how to cure it. We'll show you how we eat it. And we'll show you how to preserve it. Stay with us. Harvesting the eggs. You want to squeeze the belly of the trout, female trout, towards the anal vents, just like so. There's a skein of eggs in there, so you need to apply some pressure to kind of break those skeins up, and then the anal vent will basically only allow the eggs to pass through, saving you a lot of work on the on cleaning the eggs. A lot easier to get them out this way than to come out with the skeins and have to pick through all that. So we'll get as many out of here as we can. Kev's gonna be excited. We're gonna soak these in Tabasco sauce. He's wanted to do that. We're gonna cure them in Tabasco. You can feel them in there. Just have to work them a little bit, break them out of the skeins, and then shoot them out of the vent, just like that. That'll work good. Kev's gonna be so excited. Boy loves caviar. So we got the caviar, you just gotta clean it up. So we're gonna dump it in this little skein here. Put it right in the sink over the cereal dishes, like so. Make sure the water's nice and cold. I'm just gonna wash that around and try to pull out everything that doesn't belong. It's a lot easier doing it this way than if you would have tried to take the skeins out and gut the fish and then pull the eggs out. Really tough to do it that way. I think it doesn't taste as good either. So this is the way to do it, in my opinion. And once you stop with the water, you're gonna get them as dry as you can here. So we're going to dump them in here. So Tabasco, since it's not all salt, we're going to put a lot of Tabasco in here. And we're going to use this like a topping. I'm not sure what we're going to put it on yet, but that smells good. Tabasco eggs right there. So this has to soak for cure, I guess we'll call it, for like 4 or 5 hours. So if you make it in the morning, it's good for dinner. Stick it in the fridge. All right, this is the trout caviar right here.
Soaked in Tabasco.
Tabasco. This is our Tabasco
Delight
caviar. Let's see what you think. We're going to get the first reaction right here. He hasn't died yet. Might be really spicy. You've got dirt on your nose. Are you eating chocolate?
from fishing.
From fishing? Are you eating
Or
worms?
chocolate.
Oh.
It doesn't taste bad at all.
That's a glowing compliment. Doesn't taste bad at all, guys. It's not quite what
It's not that spicy. Not that spicy at all.
That's just still not a compliment. It doesn't sound like it tastes good.
It tastes good right away.
Some lemon on it. Caper.
That's actually real good.
Hunk of cream cheese. Finally get somebody good looking on this video.
What do you think?
I like it a lot.
It's not that spicy. It's not as spicy as you think it would be.
That would be really good on a bagel.
Bagel? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
If you have any left, you store them in the fridge for up to 10 days. We hope you enjoyed the video. We are meat eaters. This ain't a fancy restaurant. We are working folks, but we eat good and we eat wild.